guys, it's Caitlin.
Because I'm 18 and I still live with my parents. Yeah, they're not like yours. Well, yours are more understanding. I've never fell in love. I save those feelings for you. So let's do all this.
And today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup but full glam tutorial. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys how to cake your face but still look very, very natural. No crazy false lashes or wing liner. This is going to look very natural, but actually you're going to be cake face. If you guys are excited to see this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow all my social media and tune into my channel every single day because I post multiple times throughout the week. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, and with that being said, let's jump into it. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is prime. Everybody's skin looks better when they're primed, so you can just use your favorite. I love this e.l.f. hydrating one. It's literally $6. I got it for Christmas and it's my holy grail. And I just focus this mostly on the inner parts of my face. Oh, by the way, I do have brows on. That's just because I didn't want to take them off. Just use whatever you like for your brows and whatever makes your brows the way you like them. I like really harsh, defined Instagram brows with wispy at the front. So that's what I do, and I use my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil and my Anastasia one. But do what makes you comfortable. I'm just letting you know that I have brows on. But now I'm going to be trying out this foundation. This is the BECCA Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream Foundation in the shade Porcelain. This is 100% free. It was sent to me from Octoly. Thank you so much to Octoly and BECCA Cosmetics for sending this to me. I have not tried this out, but I'm super excited. Apparently, it's super full coverage, and I was like, that's gonna be perfect. So yeah, Octoly sent this to me for free. I did not pay for this, and I'm just gonna give you my honest opinion. So, first of all, this was $44. You can use the link down below to buy it if you want to. It comes in a super, super cute container, and I really like it. It has a pump, which is also amazing. I got the shade Porcelain. We all know it's pretty hard to find your color in stores, so it's even harder online. I'm just hoping that this is my shade. Oh, okay, we got some product. Ooh, okay, that actually looks like a pretty good match. I'm excited. Okay, I'm just gonna do a couple squirts all over my face because I'm not sure how full coverage it is. My friend Ashlyn told me that it's super full coverage, but a girl doesn't know. It smells like paint, but yeah, if you want to cake your face but still look natural, then I recommend using a full coverage foundation. If you were just going to school, I do not wear foundation in school. I wear concealer and that's it. But if this is like a natural glam makeup routine, so if you want to look natural but still have your skin look airbrushed, then you want a full coverage foundation unless you have perfect skin, which your girl does not. So I would say that this undertone is very warm. It is a very orange yellow undertone, which I am not. I am a very pink undertone, so that's kind of not cool. It is matching my skin really well though, like almost perfectly. So I'm super thankful that they had my shade. This is turning into like a first impressions, but just use your favorite foundation, honestly. You can still see my redness peeking through. I can still see my dry skin. I can still see my freckles. I can see my dark circles. Maybe maybe it's buildable. I'm not sure. I'm gonna add another layer. I like. No! My shirt! This is a white polo shirt. I need to change. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I'm back after that brief interruption. Your girl's quite mad because I'm pretty sure that my white Ralph Lauren polo shirt is a goner. This foundation is already messing with me and I'm not happy with it. But I was looking in the mirror in my bathroom when I was taking off my shirt and changing into this one, and this foundation match is super good for my skin. It's literally like perfect match. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but in person it looks absolutely like identical to my skin color, which is great. Since my skin color fluctuates, always still white, but since this fluctuates quite often, I like to be able to have a winter, summer, spring, fall, everything shade. Also, I'm really liking the coverage. I think it's definitely buildable, and it's building up to a medium coverage, which is awesome. I'm very excited about that because I wanted a more full coverage foundation because I don't have too many. So overall, this foundation is pretty good, and natural glam, I just think you should have a full coverage foundation. So I'm pretty excited about this. Thank you so much to Octoly for sending me your product. Now that our foundation is blended in, it looks really nice. I'm really liking the coverage and everything about it. It's a really good skin color match. So now I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to take a mixture of my Fit Me by Maybelline and put this on, and then also my Tarte Shape Tape. Boop, 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 boop. I'm going to blend her in. I just feel like I'm gonna keep saying this, but I feel like for natural glam, your base should be literally airbrushed. You should look like you just came out of the Photoshop app, like your skin looks amazing and glowy and beautimous. That's just what I think. I don't know what y'all think if you want natural, but this is supposed to be natural glam, so that's just what I think. Like I said, I don't wear foundation on an everyday basis, but for natural glam, you have to. And you can bake, but I'm just gonna start with powder. I feel like baking, whenever I take a flash photo, always gives me flashback, and I use my Coty Airspun, so I'm pretty sure Coty Airspun gives me flashback. So recently, I've been taking my Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D and using this shade right here and setting my face with it, and I've been really liking it. It's been pretty good to me, so that's what I'm gonna do. You can just start with a loose powder or anything that you want. It will add a ton more coverage and make you look even more flawless. So just either bake, set your face, or something or another like that. And now we're going to contour, chisel out our cheekbones. Of course, you can do cream contour. I'm just more comfortable with powder. So again, taking my Shade and Light palette, that shade right there. And girl, I pack on the bronzer. Especially on camera, I look so light all the time. And I'm really pale in person, but on camera, I just feel like I always look lighter as well. So whenever I'm filming, your girl packs on the bronzer. Like, We are contoured, we are chiseled, we are slayed, we are bronzy. And now I'm going to add a little pop of color on our cheeks. I'm going to be using my OFRA blush in the shade Bellini. This was also sent to me free through Octoly. Thank you so much to Octoly and OFRA Cosmetics for sending me this. If you want to buy it, you can use the link down below, as well as the foundation. This literally looks absolutely stunning. The shade is gorgeous, and I'm super excited to do this. I love blush. I just think it adds the prettiest color to your face. And I'm gonna tell you what I think. So I just took this little brush and dipped in a little bit, and we're gonna apply it to the apples of our cheeks. Ooh, I barely dipped in and it's so pretty. I like this a lot. Oh, yes. Octoly's amazing. If you want to find out more about Octoly, watch my video where I say how to get free makeup. You literally get free makeup using Octoly, and I really like it. That added the prettiest little sheen to my cheeks, made them like rosy but not red. I love this. Thank you so much, Octoly. OFRA blush in the shade Bellini is gorgeous. As you guys know, I would never talk to you about something I don't like, so go buy this. Now that we are blushy, bronzy goddesses, we are going to be glowing goddesses. And as we all know, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm going to take the shade Starburst. That one just works best for my skin tone, and I really like it. And honestly, when you divide this all up, it's $10 a highlight, and I freaking love this. Also, I'm using a paintbrush to apply this. If you didn't see my video where I did my makeup using paintbrushes, I loved this brush, and I love it for applying highlighter. I think it's the perfect fluffiness and hardness to where it gets you the blinding glow, but you still look sheen and shiny, 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 yeah. Who is she? I'm just gonna take the same shade and pop it in my inner corner. I just feel like this always gives a blinding glow. And if we wanna do natural glam makeup, I just feel like that opens your eyes and makes them look really wide and pretty and doll-like, and it's like, I'm here. Natural makeup, I do not recommend that you go super heavy for the eyeshadow. Like I said, this is supposed to be natural glam, so you're supposed to look like you just woke up with a little extra something something. So you could of course do eyeshadow for whatever you want. I really recommend the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. It has so many natural, glorious shades. You can do eyeshadow if you want. If not, I recommend taking your bronzer and throwing that in the crease. That's what I'm gonna do. Personally, I think adding your bronzer to your crease just makes you look more tan and sun dipped and glowy. I just feel like because it's on the perimeter of your cheeks that it's gonna make your eyes look beautiful and just make them pop since it's gonna be matchy-matchy. I also feel like using the same highlighter that you put on your face, cheekbones, and nose in your inner corner is also gonna make your eyes pop just because it makes everything all in sync and together. I just really like the way that that looks. And I just feel like you look super natural but still glowy and gorgeous when you do that. And if you don't want to apply it to the inner corner, you can take your highlighter and put it on your lid, literally just your bronzer and your highlight, and use that as eyeshadow, and you look gorgeous. I do that all the time. And just put a little bit on your bottom lash line so that it kind of evens it out. You don't have to put too much, or you don't have to put any at all. I just feel like adding a little bit evens it out on the top and bottom. I'm going to be not applying fake lashes, but if you want that natural glam, you can apply Ardell Wispies or anything that you want. I'm personally just going to be curling my eyelashes and putting on a mascara. I think that your eyelashes should pop, and you should see them from a mile away, just because that's a main feature on your face, and they're connected to your eyes, and eyes are the windows of your soul, so your eyelashes are the curtains. And I just think that you should pop your eyes by using a great mascara. I really like my Lash Sensational by Maybelline, but if you have any other recommendations, please let me know, because a girl needs some help. It's not been performing too good for me anymore. Like, every day I get home from school and my eyelashes look terrible. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. But when I put it on immediately, it looks so good. So I don't know. If you have naturally curly lashes, you don't need to curl them. Mine stick straight out and they stay straight out, so a lash curler is my best friend. But again, do what you like. You can literally change up this look or do whatever you want whenever you want. I just want to say, this is not my everyday makeup routine. I do not wear foundation or eyeshadow to school on an everyday basis, only if it's a special occasion. You can check out my everyday makeup routine if you want. It's on my channel. But this is just glam natural makeup. And also, I used to not be a fan of putting mascara on my bottom lashes at all until only a couple of weeks ago. I really just take whatever's left on my wand. I don't dip in and just put that there, just because I feel like it opens up the eyes and balances it out. I don't like putting too much, just enough to balance it out. I'm just gonna take off the concealer and foundation that got on my lips, because I do not want that there. It just makes our lips blend in with our face, and your lips are another prominent feature. I love just applying a gloss. My Too Faced Lip Injection Gloss is my favorite. I like it because it makes your lips look bigger, and it's super glossy and gorgeous. So I highly recommend this one. This is the small one, but a girl is gonna buy a new one because I love this. It's so good. Okay, so this is our everyday natural glam makeup. Super glowy and bronzy and gorgeous and beautiful. We look great. I really like this makeup. It's just a very airbrushed finished face, and then a little bit on the eyes just to make them pop a little bit more. And I just feel like the all-around glow from the cheeks, the inner corners of the eye, and the lips just make everything pop, and I just feel like that makes it even more beautiful. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow all my social media and tune into my channel every single day because I post multiple times throughout the week. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day. Stay poppin', and tag me in any Instagram photos if you recreate this look. Bye, and I love you. Jennifer, what you prefer? I know you playing games. I know